it's me again. So I'm not doing anything too crazy. But here's Kyle. He's coming with us, and today we are going. I don't know if it's called camping because we're not staying there overnight, but we're going to go day camping. Yeah. So right now we're still at home. Oh, and Kaya's here. Kaya, say hi.
Transfer ko na lang sa iyo yung 1K.
Anyway, so here's the family. Can you get the camera and say like hi to them? Hi. Hi. Hi.
Paano ba kayo kay daday?
Hi.
Wala
Mama lang.
This
Waterproof
waterproof phone case for my phone.
Hindi na
It
natin
doesn't
dadaanan yung
about
beta.
fit, but
Kailangan, no? Wala.
it's okay. So I'm gonna show you guys how it works. Okay, so here's the phone case. So basically, this is what you're gonna do first. So you're going to insert your phone in there. Going to insert your phone in here and like in there. To like open, like in there. And then once your phone is in, you're going to close all of these locks. He's like burying his face in the corner. You're gonna like close these locks. There's 3 of them, so you have to close all of them. So and then after that, you're going to fold them like that. Hi, mommy. Look at mommy's vlog for Facebook. But anyways, once you fold all 3, this. Oh yeah, wait, that's smart. Okay, but anyways, you're going to fold this up, and then this one you're going to close it down. You gotta close all 3 of them. Just like no spelling. And that's basically it. It's like very simple. Here's Kaya. He loves secluded spaces, so he gets a really small space. Look how cute he is. Alright, Kaya, got the drinks. It says steak. Yeah. Whoa. What the hell? Anyways, here it says steak high. Oh, they're so sweet. That hits. What is this called? It's called strawberry thing. It's like a strawberry milk. It just tastes like the pink drink with milk from Starbucks. This one has more strawberry though. It's really good.
Is this rolling already? So I got a regular size Spanish latte. I think they call it Cafe Castilla. And I've already had maybe like 1/4 of it.
It's so good though. Look, you can't blame me. I'm being the good boy he is, bro. Kayan, say hi. He's so pogi. You're eating some manghwan.
Gusto mo ba ng bukas?
I love manghwan so much. Love me more.
Kampong Tago. Naiba.
That's so pretty, y'all. Yo, this view is crazy.
Then there was a truck blocking the way to the riverside. But it's okay cause there was this cutie puppy so many cars waiting.
Guys, I'm sweating so hard. Like, it's like 86 degrees out. Probably like higher or lower. Kind of sweating too. Like, look at him. Update. Oh my god, I'm so sweating. Okay, update. That huge truck has passed. Daddy, what? Why was it like stuck?
Nag-stall siya.
Oh yeah, it was like it broke down, and it was huge, and like there were about 7 or 8 cars waiting for it to pass because there's like a lot of more like river resorts going down, like near the river. So there was a lot of them actually, and there was this such cute puppy. I'll put like a video or like an overlay on. And yeah, he was like really cute. And then there was a horse, which was insane. And like, I mean, like, what did I expect? We're in the mountains. But anyways, we're passing, and almost all of the cars are going in the same direction as us. So yeah. Okay, we're crossing a. Not even. I don't. This is like a street. This is a puddle. Dipping puddle. Yeah. Okay, and there's like a bridge there. It's kind of cool. But here's the. Sorry for shaky like footage because
Nahulugan pa ng ano. Prutas, swerte yun.
it's
Ganda ng
so
landscape, bro.
rocky, but it's beautiful. So third
Ito matitip.
river crossing. Ito maliit.
Wala lang din.
Third river crossing, but like it's really shallow. So you guys, mommy is going to cross the river because daddy wants a video. The car. Not even, he doesn't even want to video mommy. He wants to video the car. So that's insane. Oh my god. Okay, mommy, you can do this, girl. Get this. Mommy, you're doing it. Yeah, I am. Ooh! Mommy, you did it! Mommy's first river crossing! Oh my god, mommy, that's amazing, bro. Mommy, you're different. Okay, and mommy's different. Mommy, you're different. Some ducks here. And some horses. Guys, so I'm using the waterproof phone case right now because I'm about to go in the water. I'm just going to change to my swimsuit. So
TikTok na lang sana para mabenta pa.
hi. Oh, okay. If you want to know where I got this swimsuit top, there's also a set available at Lucy Pooch or Lucy Posh PH Showcase on TikTok, and I'll link her in the description if I can. Here in the forest. So nice here, diba? Di ka nahilo? Oh. He loves it under the car. The wind is crazy. So there's like an entrance going to the river, and there's some lights which are so gorgeous. So nice. Let's go, mommy! Mommy going to swim.
Yan si Yomski, ah.
Okay. Let's go, guys. Let's go, Yoyi. In the water. Kaya, let's go, man. Mommy said this fish. Okay, guys, I'm gonna dip the phone underwater. This is over there, guys. Oh, there's like sand here. There's ducks and horses. Hey, dude. Don't kill me. That was a crazy name from the horse, bro. Guys,
Do you have a horse behind you?
yeah. Ding ang bato. No! God. Anyways, so me and mommy just got out of the water and it's so freaking cold. But it's okay because we're going to eat dinner. We have this amazing salad that I need to try. And we also got some red and light and more chips. Hi guys, you're a big cutie. Okay, so here's the spread. The sun. This is Daddy's.
Nandun, baka nandun.
We all
Sa
got an
ibabaw.
even portion of hot dog, adobo, and rice. Here's the salad. Sorry. And here's mine. Here's mommy's. And this is the right and light. This is watermelon apple, and this is my favorite, strawberry kiwi. Mommy, what's in the dressing? What's in the salad dressing?
Okay, salad dressing is some spicy tuna.
Why are you walking away?
Spicy tuna, sesame oil, salt and pepper, and the secret ingredient, Kewpie mayo plus diced avocados.
Yum! Did you not say Kewpie mayo at the start?
Did I not? I forgot. Besides Kewpie mayo, spicy tuna, salt, pepper, sesame oil, and
Abo.
some diced avocado.
That looks
Kailangan nakarinig ng kabayong...
phenomenal. Mommy, give me a bite.
It's a little spicy. What do you think?
Dude,
Diba? I told you.
that's the best thing I've ever eaten.
My body is hurting like crazy.
I don't think so. Dali kay liga down. Yayon! Aray. Love, dali yan. Dito yung mga duck.
Chauncey.
I got the response.
Ganda dito. Swimming with the ducks.
Nangahabol yan. Wala ba yung kuhan dito ang gusto mo?
Okay, they're swimming away. It's fine.
Lab.
Sige lang. Tabingi kasi.
Kylie, si Yong.
Ayo.
Pag swimmingin natin si Pang. Hindi, lab, baba mo. Lumutok.
Nakatodo na eh.
Hindi.
Hindi.
Para pag
Okay na.
gagalawin ba? Young ski bear.
What's the sense in sharing this one and only life? Ending up just another lost and lonely wife. You count up the years and they will be filled with tears. Love only breaks up to start over.
Guys, hope you enjoyed today's video.
Ayusin mo yung pagtaas mo ng bintana. Ganito po yung parang ginagawa. I-push mo to down.
I still enjoyed it. Hopefully you still enjoyed it. And everyone enjoyed it. So, and Daddy, what's this place? It's called Camp River Rock. It's so cool here. The river is like right over there. And then behind me is the bathrooms that are so clean. Like hotel bathroom
Ganda
clean.
nung CR.
Yeah.
Sana may tubig. Yun lang
But,
yung kulang.
yeah,
Hindi,
there's no
may
water. But it was,
na-pressure dahil sa LD na daw. Pero at least
It's
may
actually
tubig sila.
Mm-mm.
Meron sila sa timba, hindi ka nila pinabayaan. Assist na assist tayo nung kuya.
So yeah, that's basically all I did.
Salamat po.
Okay.
Salamat po.
Anyways, bye.